Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another spectacular, adventurous episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. Kind of fucking high right now. Might as well start off with a beer too, eh? Cheers, big ears. Today we have a green, white, and black box. It's about 2 inches by 2 inches by 4 inches and weighs probably about 150 grams, close to it. It is Sears Craftsman Replacement Air Filter 71331. Never know, could be something else in there. We better open it and unbox it just to make sure that's what it is. No idea what it's for. Maybe a lawnmower. Paper. Instructions. Plastic housing. Paper air filter. Well, there you go. Wasn't that impressive? Wow. Who the fuck knew, eh? You have to look at these instructions. Will they instruct me? Paper's kind of yellow. Looks pretty old. I'm saying that's for a lawnmower. There you go. Wow. So, there you go. Now you know what's inside this box. Like I give a fucking shit. Alright, bitches. Until our next great unboxing adventure, cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. And rock the fuck on. RTFO, mofos.